Hello my crafty friends, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have the Brutus Monroe October S'more Coffee Inspiration Box, and this one I don't know if it's still available, to be honest with you, because this one is incredible. I already got a little bit of a sneak peek on this one. I happened to be on live, or not, well, Christopher was live and he was doing the unboxing. I was so close to just going, maybe I should step away because I love to be surprised, but I just love this box. You throw some coffee in there, you throw s'mores, whatever the case may be as far as like a beverage, and I'm all over that box, I'm telling you. So this is how gorgeous the box is. If it's still available, like I said, I will have it linked down below, and if there's separate pieces, I'll have those linked down below. But this puts me in the mood for some fall, baby. And yeah, let's just open it up and get right to it. Oh yeah. Okay, so we'll start with our flare, and it is the darling little unicorn in the cup. This is also the stamp of the month. So if you've seen the stamp of the month, that's what she looks like. Isn't she adorable? Oh, I love it. These are such nice quality pins too. So there is that one. All right, now we're gonna hop right into our sequin bag. Check out the sequin mix. We've got some creams and some golds, and I think we even have like some bronzy color in there too. But it's a giganto bag of sequins like they normally are. That's awesome. We're gonna have our ribbon. It's gonna match perfectly. And I actually love that this box is pretty neutral. I mean, I haven't looked at the cardstock yet, but I love that it's neutral because you can just add whatever colors that you want to it. And yeah, there's your ribbon. You're going to get about a yard each of those. Love them. Beautiful. Ooh, our stencil. Check out the stencil. It's a little coffee splatter. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is awesome. Oh, yeah, so there's your stencil. It's a little mini one. That is cool. I love that. So many projects you could use that on. All right. Ooh, we've got dies. We have dies again. Check them out. These are little coffee dies. Oh, yes. This is so cute and so perfect. Come on, get out of there. All right, so we have a little spoon. We have this little cup that says cafe, so it looks like it's probably going to emboss that right into your coffee cup. I love that. Oh, we have like the little coffee cup with the sleeve. Fantastic. There's your little to-go coffee cup. And then we also, whoops, we got some coffee beans, 3 different size coffee beans in that one. So love that too. That's awesome. So there are your 4 little dies that come with this one. Oh yes. Yeah, I don't know if this one's still available. I'll bet it's probably not. But again, I'll have it linked down below. Oh, look at this stuff. We've got the embossing powder, and this is the Marshmallow Puff. Now, this is available in the store, so this is going to puff up. I don't know that I've seen an embossing powder like this before, but this stuff actually does really puff up, and it's great. So we're going to definitely be using this stuff. That's awesome. And if you find that you're wanting to, I mean, I know you've got embossing, you know, an embossing pad, but Brutus Monroe also carries, I don't know if I can find it right at the moment, an embossing pen. At least they did. And I have it. I have it somewhere. Oh, here it is. Here we go. So here's it's the embossing pen. So basically I can just put out some embossing, whatever it is, liquid on whatever I want. So that doesn't come in the kit, but that is available, and or at least if it's available, I'll have it linked. All right. And here are our foilables. I saw these and I was like, yes, 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 yes. Look at s'mores right out of the gate. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's check them out. There's always 8 panels in here. That one might be a little too intricate for me to be able to foil with my machine, but you got 2 of those. Look, you got a little marshmallow on a stick. Oh, that's so cute. And he's got little heart eyes. Then we also have this one. You got your little to-go cup. Oh, how cute. And then you got little smiling marshmallows. That's fabulous. Oh my gosh, that's fabulous. So you get 8 total, 2 each of those. All right, let's pull out the cardstock because that amazing stamp set has to be last. I'm sorry, it just has to. All right, so here we have a couple sheets of craft cardstock. So these are like 6 by 6. We've got some gold glitter stock. Gold is a fabulous neutral color that you'll use on all your projects. Oh, we do have some colored cardstock. We have a light blue. That's fabulous. And 2 whites and a yellow. These are a little bit lighter weight. So awesome for layering. Here we go. That's awesome. All right, so there is the cardstocks. And now, don't want to lose any dies. The stamp set. Oh my gosh, you guys, you're gonna love it. Look at this. If you haven't seen it before, look at it. You can build your own s'more. You've got all these little marshmallows. One is on a stick. One looks like he's already a little bit burnt or whatnot. You can put faces. You can probably put the face on the coffee cup if you wanted even. You can put it on your s'more, I suppose. But look at that. You got 4 sets of eyes. You got 4 mouths, a little pumpkin, a little paw print, little XOXO. You got your coffee cup. You've got a couple of gloves, a scarf, and check out that hat. That hat won me over. I've never seen a stamp like that. Maybe there's one out there, but I haven't seen it. And then you have your little campfire. And then we have I Love You S'more. You Make Me a Happy Camper. I'll toast to that. Let's get toasty. S'more kit. Oh, so you can make your own little s'more kit. How cool is that? And You Make Me Melt. I love it. I love it. So there it is. Oh. I don't know if this is available exactly yet separately, but as soon as it is, and you know I'll be using the heck out of this one. I love it so much. All right, folks, so there is the kit. If it is available, like I said, I will have it linked down below. I did want to share with you that they do have, now this is not in the kit, this is separate, but here's a whole nother coffee themed die set that you can get where it's got the little percolator. One says coffee, we've got our little coffee carafe, then we've got our espresso machine, then you got your coffee grinder, so it says coffee shop on it. Then we have, I don't know my coffee lingo as well as I probably should, this little piece, and then it looks like this is like coffee beans but in the shape of a heart. So that's awesome. So that is available separately too, and I'll have it linked down below. All right, hit that like button if you liked this video. Be sure to subscribe. Hit that notification button if you haven't done that before so that you're notified when I have a video out, because you don't want to miss what I'm going to make with this one. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.